Hi there, my name is Paul Matthews and I'm looking forward to meeting you on January 24th to talk about learning transfer. I guess the heart of learning transfer is doing something with what we have learned. And of course, this applies to both students and staff. Learning transfer, I find, is often the elephant in the room where learning is concerned. It's all too easy to focus on learning as something that is completed when content has been consumed and memorized, and then perhaps examined and tested. So the question is, how can we carry that learning forward and use it effectively? How can we ensure that what we learn results in the behavior changes we want and thereby results in our workplace improving or better student results? So what do we need to wrap around a training course to ensure it has a desired effect? Where are the levers we can pull to encourage effective learning transfer? How can we help colleagues with their learning transfer? And how can we impact and work with our culture that surrounds us so that helps with learning transfer? And of course, in addition to that, how can libraries support students with their learning transfer? And that begs the question, well, what is learning transfer for a student? How does this differ to learning transfer for staff? Well, that's an interesting discussion. In this session, we'll spend some time looking at some of the models and ideas from my latest book on learning transfer and exploring together how these can inform and assist what libraries can do to enable effective transfer for both staff and students. I want this to be an interactive session with lots of discussion. So my goal is that you go away with some plans and activities to implement when you're back at your desk. After all, one of our goals in a session on learning transfer has to be, you guessed it, learning transfer. So it's about going away and then doing something with what you've learned on the day. So I hope you come, and I really look forward to meeting with you on the day. All the best, and since this is before Christmas, have a wonderful Christmas. Bye for now.